Hi guys, in this video I will demonstrate you functioning of gateway. So suppose I have configured three networks on same router and I have give 172.17, 172.18 and 172.19 series IP address to some certain PCs, that is I have mentioned over here also. So these three PCs belongs to 172.17 series. These three PCs belongs to 172.18 series, and these last three PCs belong to 172.19 series. As we know that if we are using switch, we are able to communicate between same network PCs without any problem, or with same subnet mask PCs without any problem. But when we have to communicate external to the network, then we need a gateway over here. So I have to configure gateway over here. So I have used 172.17.0.1 as a gateway for network 1 and 172.18.0.1 as a gateway for this second network, and 172.19.0.1 as gateway for third network. So I have used first IP address for of every network for gateway. So I have to mention gateway at the router level, because gateway is the first point from which your network able to communicate external to your network, or from where your network is connected to the external world. So this is the gateway for this network and this network also. So I have to configure these IPs, that is first IPs of every network at router level, router port from which that certain network got connected. So I have to configure 172.17.0.1 IP for fast Ethernet port 0/0, because this network is connected to fast Ethernet port 0/0. You can view over here. When I move my cursor on this green sign, it shows me the port number of or port details of particular router, or particular that it shows me the uh, port details from which this network is connected to this router. So I have to configure 172.17.0.1 IP to fast Ethernet port 0/1. Similarly, for second network, I have configured 172.18.0.1 as a gateway for second network, because I have used fast Ethernet port 6/0 for third network connectivity, that is 172.19. So I have to configure first IP of that network over here, that is 172.19.0.1 over here. So this is gateway for third network. Now I have to configure every PC. So first of all, I have to assign IP address of same series, that network that from the for the network that the PC belongs, and its gateway information I have to enter over there. So I have allocated 172.17.0.2 to this PC, and mention over here 172.17.0.1 as a gateway IP address. Similarly, I have configured this PC also. I have given 172.17.0.3 IP address over here, and same gateway over here. Similarly, I have configured this PC also. You can confirm this thing from here also, and gateway from this global setting also. So similarly, I have configured PCs of second network also, that is 172.18.0.2, and gateway is 172.18.0.1. Similarly, I have configured same thing to other PC of this network. I have mentioned 172.18.0.1 as a gateway, and IP address as 172.18.0.4 to last PC of this network. Then I have configured same thing for last network, that is 172.19. So I have entered 172.19.0.1 as gateway, and 172.19.0.2 as a IP address for this PC. So I have similarly configured last PC of this network, that is 172.17.19.0.4, and its gateway over here, that is 172.19.0.1. So now I have to test whether I am able to communicate external to the network or not. So I have, suppose I want to communicate 172.17.0.2 to 172.18.0.4. So for the table population, I have pressed forward button for some time. Now I have to select PDU over here and select source and destination over here. I got successful message over here. So it indicates that I am able to communicate between 172.17.0.2 and 172.18.0.4. Similarly, I can test 172.17.0.4 and 172.19.0.4. I got same successful message over here also, that indicates this, that my network 1 PC is able to communicate with 172.19.0.4 PC, that is other network PC. So gateway is required for the communication of to the external to the network. So that indicates that gateway forward our packet to the some other network using routing table of this router. So I can test same thing from ping command also. So when I go to the desktop of this 172.17.0.4 PC, and I have selected command prompt over here and entered IP of, I have entered ping command over 172.19.0.3. Let's see. So I am able to communicate with 172.19.0.3 from 172.17.0.4. So I got successful message over here and 4 received, 0 lost over here. Hope you enjoy this session. Thank you very much.